Time for shopping, guys. I'm here to shop for my toiletries and also my skincare, my collagen, things that makes me look beautiful and radiant. I'm here at a caring pharmacy. I hope you guys are doing wonderful wherever you are. Happy Wednesday. Hi. I don't know if I'm forgetting anything. Check these ones. How much?
Which one?
Are you having promotion or sales on this?
This one 27 ringgit 50.
How much?
27 ringgit 50.
For one?
Yes.
Wow. No promotion.
Wait, I will check.
Okay, you check.
Oh, this one has promotion. 24 ringgit 80 cents.
24 ringgit.
Yeah. This one no promotion.
Okay.
This one discount until.
Okay, can you just check the calculate all and let me know how much altogether? You check first. Calculate all.
I don't have calculator. Can you open your phone?
Pardon?
Can you open your phone to calculate?
Okay, never mind. Let me give you my card.
Yeah, I don't have calculator.
It's okay.
The
Yes.
Do you have membership?
Yeah.
Do you want to cycle back? One ringgit.
Pardon? No, I already bought
Oh, I see.
one the other day. I hope I come with it. Oh, okay. All right. You are my lonely family. How much? This is tea. Botanical tea.
The total is 150 ringgit.
Wow. If you wanna lose some pounds. Okay.
Do you want to add anything here? We have any promotion right now?
Mascara. Let me see. Which one?
This one we have this one is a lotion, body lotion, 23 ringgit only.
No,
This
I don't
one,
take.
This one for hair, hair oil, 19 ringgit 95 cents. Discount. Before this, 39 ringgit 96. This one,
There's a spray I bought here last time. It's for hair.
oh, got it.
Yeah. Wait, I check first. I bought something last time. I think I don't know the name. Let me look around and see if I can get it. I bought one hairspray last time. Very nice hairspray. I pray they have it. Natural buy. Something like this. Repairing hair oil. I think something like this.